Welcome, in front of me is a GIGASET GS190, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from a SIM card to the device. And to get started, you will want to open up the standalone contact app, which, as you can see, it's right here, contacts. So make sure you open that one. Let's skip. So as you can see, I have no contacts right here. So to get started, tap on the three bars in the top left corner, go to settings, and then here you will find import option at the bottom. Tap on it, choose that you want to import contacts obviously from the SIM card, and once you do, it will select all the contacts that are on the SIM card. So if you don't want some of them, you will have to deselect them. And also, if you encounter any contacts that are deselected and grayed out, unable to be checked on, that means that those contacts already exist on your phone and you simply cannot import them again. Now, that being said, once you have everything checked that you want, click on the check mark right there for SIM contacts imported, and if we go back, you should see them right here. And that is how you would import your contacts. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.